Do you ever create a pivot table in Excel? And then wonder, why can I only filter one column? Today, I'll show you how to add filters to a pivot table the right way, and a bonus trick most users don't know. Okay, let's get started. Here I have a simple sales data set. First, click anywhere inside your data. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Pivot Table. Choose New Worksheet, then click OK. On the right side, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields panel. Drag Product to the Rows area. Next, drag Sales Amount to the Values area. Now Excel automatically adds a filter to the first column. From here, you can filter by product and instantly see total sales. But what if you want more control, like filtering by top 10 sales, highest values, or specific totals? To enable filters on all columns, just click outside the pivot table. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus L on your keyboard. Just like that, Excel adds filter buttons to the pivot table columns. Click the filter on the sales amount column. Go to Number Filters, and choose Top 10. And click OK. Now you're instantly viewing the top 10 best-selling products. If your pivot table filters disappear after refresh, click anywhere inside the pivot table, go to PivotTable Analyze tab, then Options. And make sure Display Field Captions and Filter drop-downs is enabled. This keeps your filters visible and ready every time. And that's how you add and control filters in a pivot table. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.